Activate NetSpend Card 2024 NetSpend All Access Card. So if you want to activate your NetSpend card online, basically all you have to do is open your browser and type in and search for NetSpend Card Activate. You'll find the first link from netspend.com that says activate your card NetSpend prepaid account. So make sure to just go ahead and then select and open that first link. As and when you've done that, you will see this type of interface that says activate your prepaid card. Get started by entering your card number and the security code from the back of your card. Then simply enter your card number and the security code there. Then just tap on the continue option, and as and when you've done that, your NetSpend card will be successfully activated. This way you'll be able to activate your NetSpend All Access Card online. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in our next video.